Namaskar and welcome again to Planet to Soul Astrology. So, yes, today we are going to discuss about Capricorn transit on Gemini ascendant. So, for Gemini people, this transit is going to take place from your 8th house of chart. For you, Jupiter is playing very important role. Jupiter being Lord of 7th house and being Lord of 10th house of your chart are again hammering your 7th house matters as well as 10th house matters, and 4th house matters as well as your second house matters. So overall your earth trikonas are getting very activated. This Jupiter from your 8th house of chart will be aspecting the Taurus sign where Rahu is already posited. So it will be like Guru Chandal yoga, but at the same time, because it is in trine yoga, you will always think out of box, at least for this till Rahu transit or this Jupiter transit gets over, and always you have innovative ideas which you never thought before, and you are just trying to implement those ideas, and you are trusting other people other than your own circle. Like they could be uh, other culture people or other background people or other religion people. Definitely you will follow those people, new activities which are unknown to you. It could be in your studies, education, work, social media, anything. You are just trying to follow all these new things, and sometimes you are lacking back also in knowing the actual reality of those things which you have adopted knowingly or unknowingly. This Jupiter being in your 8th house of chart is also aspecting your second house, which is holding Cancer sign over there, and definitely moon will be the affected planet because of this Jupiter. So over emotions are there, emotions connected to your family, your friends, your relatives, and definitely you may need some or other help through your family, or you will be the help for your family, and your occult science may help your family members. Also expenditure for your family, if any property related issues are going in a family, definitely when sun will also touch this Capricorn sign in the month of Jan, definitely some or other issues which are already running in your family will be aligned in a proper position. And yes, this Jupiter again is aspecting your 4th house of chart, that is Virgo sign. So definitely this is the time for new learnings for you. Automatically training will fall in front of you, maybe from your workplace or from your office place, or maybe you will start learning some new things. So overall, this Jupiter transit for you will be like your earning capacity as well as your own nature will be in a already you are a dual personality, or and somehow maybe if Surya is not well positioned in your chart, maybe confusion state or lack of confidence will be there. And always, because of, you will start thinking out of box, like you will show that I am becoming very courageous, but ultimately maybe you end up with some difficulties also and with some success stories also. So Gemini sign, basically your 9th house is very much getting activated here, because by default as per Kalpurusha, 9th house is holding Jupiterian sign as well as 12th house is holding Jupiterian sign. So if your original Jupiter is a aligned mode, like it is exalted or it is posited in trine houses or it is posited in a well nakshatra, then definitely outgoing scope, if you are trying to go abroad or another state for work purpose, then definitely your 10th house is already activated. New transformation is taking for place for you, because your 6th house is also activated. And when this Jupiter in your Navamsha chart, because at present this Jupiter is in Capricorn sign only, but when this Jupiter will go in your Pisces sign, see where your Pisces sign is falling in Navamsha Kundali, definitely that house will get more hammered and you will get more success connected to that house, and you always have to consider that this Jupiter is bringing a new light and new ray of hope for you, because you have seen very drawbacks in your life, maybe through your friend circle, because maybe financial issues have come up, maybe some or other way you are not channelized because of this Ketu and because of Rahu, which were transiting through your ascendant and seventh house. Now they are already shifted to your sixth and 12th house, but then again they are coming in contact with transit Jupiter. So yes, this is the time when your 8th house activities are also getting too much activated. So who are occult lover people, who are into research, PhD, MPhil, friends, this is the best period to achieve this goal. At the same time, take good care of your health, bone issues, eye issues, toothache, neurological problem, looking after your family health, looking after your parents health, and looking after your own health is becoming very important thing. Looking after your mental health also becomes very important. Maybe at your workplace you feel that you are deprived or you are cornered, or all these things may come into your mind, but do not worry. After March 2021, things will start subsiding. So all the best, all Gemini people, my best wishes for this Jupiter transit, and let me know in the comment box whether you are resembling this prediction. This is general and overall predictions, and stay tuned with Planet to Soul Astrology. And as I always say, Sabka Mangal Ho, may all be blessed. Namaste.